The most prestigious club competition in European football. And now it comes down to this. The final itself. Who will prevail? We're live on EA TV. This is where every top-level footballer wants to be after a long season. The Champions League final. Only two teams left in the battle for Europe's brand-new club competition. On the Derek Ray and not forgetting this final third. Look at the opposition starting lineup today.
Well, key to their success today will be the front three. If they combine well, are clever around the box and rotate their positions, they'll cause all sorts of problems.
Well, it's a decent-looking attack, this. Oh, he looks threatening. And reading it absolutely superbly. Oh, what an opportunity. Keeping it out. Good vision. And a simple clearance, a good one. Well, good vision. And a simple clearance, a good one. This looks more than decent.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and it's a great finish. He holds off the defender, keeps his composure, and finds the back of the net. It's a marvellous goal.
So let's play again here. 1-0 the score. Danny Pacheco. Miguel Simla. Lukas Podolski. Underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Really good wide play. Played into the box. And it might be. And fired against the crossbar. Genuine chance. Well, it looked as though he was going to net another one, but the keeper getting in the way.
Well, that was a decent chance for his second there. Not the finish he was really looking for.
And not an attempt he'll be terribly proud of. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. So back underway here into the second half. Well, not deemed to be a bookable offence, but still it probably entered the referee's mind. Good strike. Passing game in a bid to get themselves back into it. And the players waiting at the far post. Didn't really work to finding its target. And they troubled the opposition this time. Good became a teammate. Took care of it defensively. Really clever pressing. Oh, the threat is there. Throwing it into the box. And an effective clearance. Well, there's a textbook example of how to press the ball. Intercepted. Danny Pacheco. Siplak. The defenders know you can't really allow space like that. Now it's a good. The defenders know you can't really allow space like that. Now it's a good deflection. That'll be a corner. Substitution time it is here. Trying to pick out a teammate. Well, he read the flight of the ball brilliantly, but just couldn't quite keep it down. Narrowly over the bar. And just 5 minutes remaining. Well, couldn't bend his run and the flag went up.